So this is a website that I found. It's called Understood, and it kind of walks parents through what it's like to have students with disabilities in some sort of way. Specifically, this particular part of the website focuses on learning and attention issues. And there's these little games down here. They're called simulations, where parents can play them, and it helps them to break down how a student could possibly see these things and how it could be a problem. I've played all of them, and they're very, very interesting, and I'll talk about that in a bit. But we're going to play this attention issues game because I feel like it truly is the best demonstration at how crazy this could be. So first it says, so why do some kids have so much trouble staying focused? And this game should give you a sense of what it feels like to have attention issues. So hold on, it's a little crazy. All right, we're going to follow the teacher's instructions, and you should be able to hear her.
Okay, put away your books. We're going to play a game. In this game, we're going to find homes for the animals. Listen to me carefully. In front of you are some animal cards and a grid. I'm going to tell you where to move each animal card so every animal ends up in the right place on the grid. Are you ready? Everyone take the snake card. Now look at the grid. Put the snake card on the camel in the grid. Got it? Good. Now take the bird card and put it on the kangaroo in the grid. Dylan, are you with us? Okay. Now take the monkey. Put it on the floor.
I don't have a monkey.
Is that yours on the floor? Now find the kangaroo card. It belongs on the
He's
floor.
Mom's friend too, remember?
Emma and Maddie, pay attention. Dylan, are you with us? Okay, now everyone, look at the octopus. Put it on the
Weird.
floor in your grid. Now look for the elephant. Jacob and Sophia, please stop. Put the elephant on the board. Can you see the octopus? I want you to place the rhino on top
I saw
of it.
Dino. I saw rhinoceros at the zoo when I went with my mom.
Put the monkey on the floor. Jaden, don't interrupt.
I don't have any
And then
animals
put the shark on
left.
the
Miss
elephant and on the
Aldano,
shark.
my
Put the
game
camel.
is missing a piece.
Ready? Now flip your cards over. What do you see?
So I don't know if you noticed, but that was kind of difficult to hear all the instructions that the teacher was saying and to be able to place all the items on the correct spots. So because there was so much else going on, and this craziness of the sound can actually demonstrate how a student with auditory processing disorder may feel in a classroom when all of the students are talking and just so much else is going on. They're going to have trouble focusing on one specific point and what they're having to do. So the other games also have different related activities for specific learning disorders as well. So the math one demonstrates what it's like to have dyscalculia, and that one really threw me off. The writing one demonstrates dysgraphia, and the reading one demonstrates dyslexia. And within a classroom, I would show this to the students and explain to them that some students see things differently and that they don't always understand the basic principles of math, or they don't have enough organization skills, or have trouble focusing on one thing at a time, and therefore we as the classroom have to be patient with all of our classmates in order to create a successful work environment and to create a team and a family inside the classroom. Every child's condition is different. So these activities aren't perfect, and they don't always demonstrate everything that a child could possibly be seeing or going through. But it is helpful to open eyes to the students who don't have these problems, who don't struggle with math or writing or reading. And it helps them to see truly what it's like to have a specific learning disability and what it's like to face these struggles. So this is the activity that I would do with my classroom, just to help open their eyes to everything that could possibly be happening with their classmates.